Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you the poem How to Tell Wild Animals Question Answers from your class 10 English CBSE. So, welcome to Papia Ma'am's English classes. From this poem, children, you learn the word meanings, read the poem thoroughly, and try to understand and learn only these answers. That will be sufficient for your exam purpose. So, first question: how can you tell a lion from a Bengal tiger? Tell means differentiate. A lion has a large body, it has a tawny coat. A Bengal tiger has black stripes on its yellow coat. A lion roars when it falls upon its prey. A tiger attacks silently. Second question: how can you tell a tiger from a leopard? A tiger has a yellow coat. It has black stripe on its body. A leopard doesn't have any stripe. It has spots on its body. A tiger kills only when it is hungry. A leopard can kill for the pleasure of killing. Third question: what will a bear do when it attacks you? A bear catches hold of its victims and hugs him very hard. In case the victim struggles to get free, the bear gives another hug until the victim gives up. So we call it as bear hug. Fourth question: how can you distinguish a crocodile from a hyena? A crocodile weeps as it comes to you. It sheds a proverbial crocodile tears, magarmach ke aansu. On the other hand, a hyena smiles merrily as it comes to you. So both pretends, not in reality. Okay, now fifth question. How does the poet describe the chameleon? The poet says that a true chameleon looks like a small lizard. It hasn't any ears or wings. It can change its color. You can't see it on the tree even though it is there because of the camouflaging character. Now, long answer type question. Briefly summarize the poem How to Tell Wild Animals. Carolyn Wells' poem How to Tell Wild Animals is a humorous poem. So always children remember, when you are writing the big long answer type question, mention the name of the fiction or the poem and the author. So first line as it is done here. Next, in it, the poet tells us how we can identify wild animals if we come across them suddenly. If it is a large brownish yellow beast that roars before killing you, it is an Asian lion. If it is an animal that has black stripe on a yellow body, it is a Bengal tiger. He may or may not kill you. If it is a spotted animal and leaps at you again and again, it is a leopard. And if you meet a creature that gives you a hard hug, it is a bear. It's a crocodile if it weeps on seeing you, and hyena if it smiles. If it's a thing that looks like a lizard, has no ears and can't be seen while it is there in the tree, it's a chameleon. So more or less, this is the summary, and you can add up with this that the poet here, he deals with different animals in different ways, and he is trying to identify the wild animals, and in a very humorous way he is distinguishing the various features of various animals. So that's all. So thanks for watching, children. So I hope you all have understood the question answers. Thank you.